How to restore deleted messages on WhatsApp using local backup. So, if you want to restore your deleted messages on WhatsApp using your local backup, then what you need to do is first you need to uninstall your WhatsApp application. So, simply tap and hold on to that application and then go for uninstall or delete, and you need to uninstall the application. And once you've uninstalled the application, you need to again open up your WhatsApp. And once you open your WhatsApp after uninstalling, and you need to simply again install the application from your Play Store. And once you've installed, you need to open up your WhatsApp, and then you can go for your language and go for the login page as you would log in with a new account or with an existing account. Go for agree and continue, tap on allow, and then you need to enter your phone number. And after entering your phone number, you need to tap on next, which is on the bottom. And after tapping on next, it will ask you that if you want to recover your chats, or if you want to restore your chats or messages. So you can simply tap on that restore or recover option, whichever option which is visible to you while logging in. And once you tap on that, your chats, messages, photos, everything will be recovered on WhatsApp. So that's it. That's how you can restore deleted messages on WhatsApp using local backup. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.